Alright people, Nick Roberts here and welcome to my Absolute Profits review video. So I'm inside the members area here and today I'm going to go through module by module, share my thoughts, share what I've learned, and you can see whether you'd like to check this out for yourself. Alright, now what is Absolute Profits? It's a really solid training put together by Wilson Novoa here. I've reviewed other products by Wilson in the past and he always puts together a really good training backed with a case study. He shows you the method works. And he's really very genuine. He's really out to just open up his business and help you get results. Okay, so he's a really good guy, and that's why I'm reviewing his product. Okay, but what is it? What's the method in a nutshell? Basically, Wilson is showing you how to take videos off of sales pages. All right, so you can go to any sales page, you can get their video. All right, anyone you want, you can download it for free. It's completely, legal to use. And then what you can do is you can run YouTube ads. You can upload this video and you can show this video as an in-stream ad on different YouTube channels, like Make Money Online channels, affiliate marketing channels, anything like that. Okay, and basically what happens is when people are watching, their favorite topic, Make Money Online, they're trying to learn some new tips, your video is going to pop up with this new product and they're going to be like, hey, cool, what's this, And if the video is good, which usually they are, they hook you in, they're pretty captivating, they're good attention grabbers, they're very professionally done. You can see this one. What happens is people will watch it, they'll get interested, they'll click on your link and bam, you can take that sale. Okay, and you didn't have to make the video and you didn't have to create any content because you're running ads to other people's content on YouTube. Okay, so it's a really cool strategy, and you just got to be willing to put in $5 a day and you can immediately make that back on sales. Okay, so let me talk to you a little bit more detail how everything works. All right, so first thing that you've got here in the overview is Wilson welcomes you first of all, and then he gives you access to another product that he's made that's usually a paid product, but he's giving you it completely free here, which means that you're basically getting two products for one with this. Okay, next we get into the tools and softwares. So there's a few tools that he recommends down here. Now what I like is that Wilson has recommended tools, the cheapest tools basically, the cheapest tools that you can use and get your hands on that are going to do the job. He's not pushing expensive tools like ClickFunnels or stuff like that. He's keeping it cheap, he's keeping it on 3-day trials and stuff like that. So next of all, we're going to go for the done for you videos and images. So as I said, he's going to show you how you can basically get these video sales letters off any sales page and use them in your ad campaigns. Okay. Stuff like avoiding restrictions, shows you how you can avoid getting your account banned or your ads rejected. It shows you how to set up your Google Ads account if you don't already have one. All right, and he also gives you free vouchers actually, where you can get $100. If it's the first time you're running ads, you can get $100 credit. He shows you how to do that. And then we've got what's called the placements method. So this is when you're running video ads on YouTube. There's a placements method. He also shows you an experts method of this. Let me take you into this video and just show you a bit about what you're going to get in here. Okay, so basically this would be the kind of page that Wilson has created in GetResponse. Okay, so he's created this landing page. People are going to hit this page when they click your link from your YouTube ad, and they are going to leave their name and email address, all right, to go and check out this stuff. And this is really important. He's showing you how to do lead capture and actually build a buyers list, because what's going to happen there is that you're paying for this traffic, so you might as well try and maximize as much as possible and turn them into a lead, so you can then do email marketing and promote other products to them for free. Okay, and it's very important to do that, and he shows you how to do this. He also shows you how to set up your analytics and your tracking, your conversion tracking, so you know exactly who's coming to your page, and you start building an audience. He shows you click by click how to set up your campaign, and basically it's a 17-minute tutorial which is going to show you how to run YouTube ads if you've never run them before. Okay, and he shows you exactly how to set it up. And he also gives you this, which is a great resource. He gives you done for you call to actions that you can drop in your ad, headlines, hooks, all that sort of stuff, descriptions that you're going to use to set up your ad. He's actually given you all of that stuff below here. And he also shows you how to be sort of self-sufficient, self-reliant, and how you can also pull this information off any sales page you want. Okay, so you don't just have to rely on what he's giving you, you can go and actually do this for yourself. All right, and then he shows you how to follow up. He shows you how to set up a follow-up sequence of emails. Let me just drop into here. So there you go. So he shows you, for example, what he writes on his welcome email, and then how he sets up his next emails, and basically how he sets up his campaign to start promoting more products to his list. And then finally, we've got a case study where he actually proves that he's turned $5 a day over 3 days, so $15. He's managed to turn it into $300 in commissions, all right, which is amazing. And it's purely down to this method where he's running these really cool video sales letters to some really highly targeted traffic, other people's YouTube channels in the Make Money Online niche. But yeah, there you go. He's giving you a bit of a breakdown of the method and of the results here. Okay, so some really cool stuff. All right, and there's plenty of upgrades that you can have a look at yourself. All right, so my impressions of it, really enjoyed it. I've loved what Wilson's brought out in the past, and that's why I wanted to check this one out. This is why I wanted to review it, and you can't go wrong with this one. Okay, it's really solid training, and I think if you do implement, you can see some really good results. All right, that's my honest opinion, and I will leave a link to the sales page below this video. All right, so go check that out, have a little watch, have a little read a bit more, and if you do want to grab it, that link's below for you. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. Thanks so much for watching today, and I wish you all the best with all your online marketing. All right, I'll take care, and I'll catch you real soon.